Thousands of youths are suffering from depression and dying in silence. But today, that silence has gotten a voice, for I am the voice of silence. The boy behind the mask, whose story will never go untold. Cause if I perish away in silence, my story gets recycled. Another boy hiding behind the mask. Faking smiles, exchanging pleasantries when all he is supposed to say is that I am not okay. I am sad. I am not stable. Cause I remember not a day I didn't feel sad. I remember the first time I had a panic attack when I was just 10. Ever since then, depression and anxiety became my roommates. I was enslaved to fear. Fear of the knowns and the unknowns holding me captive. Hostage, prisoned, chained and trapped to loneliness and sadness. I was ashamed of being myself, not with those voices chanting in my head telling me I am worthless, powerless, insignificant, not good enough. I've been alone in all this, the boy behind the mask. Scared of the night cause I know not how to sleep, and waking up to leave the next day is a torture. Scared of being alone yet not wanting anyone around. Staying in bed all day with a drawer full of painkillers I can't take anymore. Today, this hour, this minute, I will fight you off the mask. And in the voice of silence, the victory is mine. So I advise you to throw up your hands and surrender.
Depressions, anxiety, stagnations of varieties, agitations and concerns, fears and adversity, related feelings, related words, related meanings, related thoughts, outlook and overlook, them in many moods, the words in heavy flood. I think like I'm included to a fold with many rules. We says in irony to build in nursery. We build in nursery to paid in summary. We paid in summary to gain in reality. Life is equality to those who are family. We live to work and gain, but some are compulsory. Compulsory are must to be in case of obligatory. Life is a binary in twos, sums in finally.
Sanity is slowly leaving me in Monaco. Serenity is becoming a tale for me. No one could see or hear me. I wasn't a ghost, spook, or a phantom. My invincibility is simply a fact I have to live with. Sometimes I just sit to cry all my tears that are more hidden than the track of a black emmet over a black stone in a murky night. It's itching and burning deep within my flesh. I'm drained, crushed and clouded by the teeming thoughts of hopelessness, fear and anxiety. A walking dead I am, rather a breathing corpse I should say. The conflicting battle occurring in me, brewing a psychological disease with no remedy, pinfolded and tortured by a miraging deception of hope. Emotions betraying my heart, my thoughts deceiving my mind. The two are wide apart. My heart feels void, nil and sick of the world I grew on. At some point, I feel like vanishing into nothingness to feel at ease. A tune, Sadiq Gentle, Mami's tune, and Mufti.